In this video, we're going to get a general overview of what a BuildShip template is. Now, if you're familiar with BuildShip, you know that it's a platform that will allow you to create powerful backend cloud functions, APIs, schedule jobs visually with the ease of no code and the power of code. And for a certain amount of workflows that we may want to have, we've gone ahead and created a whole bunch of templates for different workflows. So you can see here in this list, we've got a myriad of different kinds of templates you can use to hit the ground running and start creating your powerful backend. You can filter through these by types. We've got AI, utilities, internal tools, database, bot, and payment-related templates. So by selecting a template, what will happen is that you'll be creating a clone of one of them, which you can then expand as needed. Let's go ahead and check out a couple of these. For example, the Google Vision text detection template. And when you clone a template, you'll be able to see the notes, which you can then ship or get started with filling in. And some of these are going to require a little bit of tweaking. For example, the Google Vision template will have a REST API call. Then we've got a Google Vision node here, which we can look at its info and see that this is a text detection node for Google Cloud Vision. And it takes one input, which is the image URL. So we can fill this in, example.com, image.png. So now we've got a hard-coded image that we can use. But hey, we can even tweak this, because remember, this is cloning that template. So we can, for example, get that image URL from the query parameters of our API request. And there you have it. Then when we're ready, we can go ahead and ship our workflow. So that was how you could configure a template, and as you saw, with very little configuration needed. But what about something a little bit more complicated? Let's take a look at the Llama 2 template, which will let you create content using Meta's model. Now remember, this is a clone, so we can tweak it. So we've got an API call here that goes to Llama 2. It's a GET request. Then we'll be getting our query params. And then we can see here what we need in order for this to be able to be configured and used. So we need an API key, which we can get from Replicate. So this is already mostly pre-filled for us. The last part that's missing is that Replicate to API key. So let's fill it in. I just happen to have one here, so I'm going to go to my secrets, and you can see I've got my Replicate key. But if you want to add your own, you just need to click on Add Secret. Let's do that. That's all sorted. Prompt is already done. Max tokens is done, and the system prompt is done as well. We even have a return node already configured for us. So once I've put in my API key, believe it or not, we're good to go. And once you ship it, you'll get an API endpoint and can start using this in your products or apps that you build with other no-code visual app builders or front-end frameworks. So that's a brief overview of the templates that you'll find in BuildShip. But there's more. We're adding many new templates weekly, so keep an eye out, and I'll see you in the next video.